you notice the jig. Watch how all the different parts go in. So he'll try to get them in
before it's done.
Before it's done. Him in our control box. That one's already welding. And when you look at the weld, you know what that part is? Remember when you saw the Challenger 3 out there and it was machining the holes?
Yeah.
That's the part that was welded into the entire chassis that they were machining the holes. But you can rest assured that weld's never going to break. So I have no problem giving you a lifetime warranty on it. So he's told the machine, I'm ready. So as soon as it's finished with that, it will roll over, turn that part in. It's at attention, it's got to go. Get it out of here. So now it's going to go back in. He'll take that part out while those parts are welding. All of these contraptions are manufactured by M&R. Okay. Now that chassis up there, as you can see, these guys through here, within 4 months, because we're too busy to do it right now, but within 4 months, that's going to be upside down on a flying bridge up here, and it's actually going to weld those for us. And there's another one coming in to replace that one. But this is where they build up the chassis. It's like a big Lego block set. If you watch here. Right. See the jigs he's putting in? Those plugs fit right into a part that was machined, so that when he's making a part, these drop right into where he doesn't have to be worried about his tolerance. He's setting up for another machine now. This is a solid steel table, and there's numbers like Sportsman 12 colors, Sportsman 12 colors. That tells him to take the jig for a Sportsman 12 color, that's where it goes. Then his parts can just be dropped on, and he can actually move the table to him instead of him having to move. Right. He's building a small Sportsman top there. He's preparing to drop in the bronze bushing for the center of a Challenger 2 carousel. So it all drops into place and it's jigged into place. Over here, you'll see bigger jigs. Right. He's doing a chassis for an Alpha. So everything is jigged into place on both sides because we allow him to be out with his welding a maximum of 30 thousandths. So 10 times the thickness of your hair is the maximum I'll allow him on the weld. Why? Because after he's done with this, we're going to machine those surfaces out there on the uniports, and if he's out more than that, we have to do more than one cut. That means time is much more costly. So he's got to be jigged in absolutely perfect. This jig here, notice how this is all set up? He'll take this, pick it up, drop it in, and it inserts these parts because they have to be absolutely in parallel for the shafts to go through. So that's the jig to line these up into place. Now you saw the robotic weld, there's our human weld, the fork leaning.
So we remember the old oval press. Yeah. What made you go back to an oval press?
In third world countries, it's mostly cut pieces. And in cut pieces, it's in a lot of older buildings that are narrow, and we're having to replace table printing. So we've eliminated the registration issues that ovals had. Yeah. And we have customers that need up to 50 stations. So if you need 50 stations, you're not going to do that. We will not build a machine over 20 stations in a round diameter.
Too big.
It's too big. It's unstable. So we can go up to 50 stations here and give you up to 48 colors.
Yeah.
So, and we have quite a few of them out.
Yeah,
But-
I saw one.
but
At
the-
Niles.
Oh yeah. These things are huge,
Yeah,
but
they're great.
very strong, very reliable, and fast. Now to show you how our just-in-time system basically works, you see him making the chassis, and I just showed you the part that's dropped in with the jig. There's the part that's dropped in with the jig, coming off of the welder.
Like perfectly.
There's no time for mistake. He's jigging in. See, he's putting his drops in. So now those plugs, when he takes his part that has to be machined, they'll drop right onto those pins. So his alignment will be absolute when he's done. This table here, we made 2 tables. And the tables can go in together for big parts, or they can rotate for small parts. And once he tells the machine he's ready, it'll rotate the tables in for him automatically. His job is just to make sure it doesn't stay at attention too long. And every one of his parts, if you look at these parts, see the burn off right there? If you look at every part, even the burn off is the same. So we're either 100% right or 100% wrong.